Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn app. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first simple step you simply need to do is to open LinkedIn. So here you can see my LinkedIn profile. So the first step you simply need to click on search and you can search anything on LinkedIn. And here you can see a message icon. Click on that and you can see your all messages here. Okay, and here you can see a home tab in which I am scrolling, and here you can see if you want to see your network, click on that, my network, and here you can find all your network, your invites, your celebrations. And if you want to post on LinkedIn, you simply need to click on this icon and you can post a picture, video, template, anything that you want. And here you can see all your notifications. Here you can see that. And if you want to find a job or you want to post a job, here you can see jobs. And if you want to post a job, click on post a job. But if you want to find a job or you want to save a job like this, so here you can see my jobs that I saved. Here you can see that. So this is a process by which you can simply use LinkedIn. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.